In a magical forest, birds and animals lived together in harmony. Chirpy robins sang sweet songs, and wise owls told bedtime stories to curious baby animals. Playful squirrels chased their fluffy tails, while kind rabbits shared tasty treats with their friends. The colorful butterflies danced in the warm breeze, bringing smiles to everyone's faces. One day, the animals organized a grand party with the birds providing the music. They all danced, laughed, and made new friends. From that day on, they knew they were a big, happy family, cherishing the joy of togetherness in their forest home.